Hey there, I wanted to walk you through how to make a quick video collection. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your dashboard, and you can either click on the icon for your app and then select the dashboard option, or you can go to getcloudup.com or zight.com/dashboard and you'll be routed to this page. So you'll notice down here I have this section for collections. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the plus icon and type in video library for work. So I've created a collection. Now you'll notice that it starts off with this thumbnail, and that's because there's no content added to it. So let's add some content to this collection and customize it a bit. So I'm going to hover over this one and this one and this one, and I will click on plus, and you'll have the 3 items, and I'm actually going to select the plus icon here and add it to that collection for work. I'll click done, and let's go back and check out our video library for work. And now I have a great collection that I can share. And to share it, you can click copy share link, or you can click on this permissions icon and change the permission settings. Thanks so much. Bye.